Hi, class. So this is math assignment number 2. You must follow the directions on this assignment. It says, do not do this assignment without going back to watch the directions video. Well, guess what? This is it. So you can skip over this slide if you hear me talking. Okay, this is called fractions in containers assignment. What you're going to do is go into the classroom and open up the flip grid. Okay, you'll have a flip grid and you will go into the flip grid. And right when you hit record, you're going to click back over. And once you hit record on the flip grid, you are going to clip back over and you are going to do the fractions in containers assignment. Well, what is this assignment? You see all these fractions on the side here? You are going to move them into the correct column. Our columns are fractions that are less than 1/2, fractions that are equivalent to 1/2, fractions that are between 1/2 and 1 whole, fractions that are equivalent to 1 whole, and fractions that you know are more than 1 whole. And as you move these fractions, you need to be recording on the flip grid your thinking. So let Miss Estes move these back, and I'll show you what I mean. So imagine Miss Estes was a student. I really want to start with the 1 whole because I know when the numerator and the denominator of the fraction are the same, it is equivalent to 1 whole. So on my flip grid, I might say something like this. I'm moving the 10/10ths to the 1 whole because I know 10/10 is equivalent to 1 whole. I am moving the 5/5 to 1 whole because I know 5/5 is equivalent to 1 whole. I am moving the 2/2 to 1 whole because they are equivalent to 1 whole. Do you see how I'm talking while I'm moving the fraction squares? And the flip grid is busy recording. Let's look at the 1/2. 2/4 is equivalent to 1/2 because 2 is half of 4 and the fraction 2/4 is equivalent to 1/2. So you would do that with all of these fractions. You need to put them into these categories, and as you are moving them, you're talking through why you made those choices. Okay? So we expect the flip grid and the slideshow to be done at the same time. When you're done, you clip back over to the flip grid and hit turn in. Then you go back into the classroom and hit turn in for the slideshow. All right, let's see if you can do this complicated assignment.